Today we are going to discuss about trigonometry. Before going to enter into trigonometry, basically those who have completed 10th class due to corona and joined in intermediate and facing problem to understand trigonometry, I will start with basics. So as you know, a point and from a point, if two rays move in different direction, we will get an angle. Here, already in my previous videos, I explained you about line segment and ray. Today, we are going to discuss about angle. Sriniketan, better you join in the class. You sit down there. You sit down, you will understand the basics. So here, to measure angle, we have degree, grade, better start the fan, grade and radian. In this particular video, I will explain you what is degree, what is grade and what is radian. With that I will end the class, and in next video I will introduce trigonometry. So first, what is degree? Generally, degree is a unit of measuring the angle. What is meter means? There is one rod, somewhere they kept according to system of international, that particular length is called meter, and that meter is divided into 100 parts and each length is called 1 centimeter. Like that, kilogram is also having definition. In the same way, what is degree means? We will define degree with circle. See here, this is a circle. The circle is divided into 4 equal sectors, and each sector again divided like this, 90 sectors, 90 sectors, 90 sectors, 90 sectors. So totally the circle is divided into 360 sectors. This 360th sector, 1 by 360th part of the angle made by the circle at the center is called degree. The circle is divided into 360 sectors. In that, this is 360th sector. 360th sector. So this is called degree. You may ask me one doubt. Is it small circle or big circle or big circle? It may be any circle. This is same. So, sir, if we get any angle less than degree, what to do? Again, degree divided into 60 equal parts. Okay. So, that 1 by 60th part of degree, 1 by 60th part of degree is called minute, and 1 by 60th part of minute is called second. Okay, so degrees, minutes, seconds. In higher classes, you will read angles like this: 2 degree, 16 minutes, 30 seconds. Minute is represented with small dash, seconds is represented with double dash. Okay, so degree over. Now after degree, radian. Generally, we people don't use better before radian we will discuss about the grade. Generally we don't use the grade. In old 10th class mathematics book it was there, but better to have knowledge of this. So you take a circle, the circle again divided into 4 equal parts, but again each sector is divided into 100 sector. So totally 400 sectors. 1 by 400th part of angle made by circle at the center is called grade. So this grade measurement is also known as centesimal system. What it is known as? Centesimal system. So again, if we get a smaller angle, then we see 1 grade is equal to 100 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds. Okay. After this, we will try to understand what is radian measure. What is radian? Take a circle. Let it is having some radius OA. Equal to the radius, we will take an arc. Suppose the radius length is equal to r, then the arc length is also r. Angle made by the arc whose length is equal to the radius at the center is called radian. Radian is that measurement made by an arc equal to the radius of that particular circle, and it is making an angle at the center, that is called radian. So here r units radius making 1 radian at the center, then 2 pi r. What is this 2 pi r? 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle making an angle at the center. That angle is called total angle made by the circle. So, you know unitary method in 6th class. For 10 kg apples, for 10 kg potato 100 rupees, for 1 kg, for 10 kg potato 100 rupees, for 1 kg potato how much means? You will do like this, 1 into 100 by 10. It is equal to how much? 10. In the similar way, for r units 1 radian we are getting. For 2 pi r units how much? 2 pi r into 1 by r. If you are unable to watch it, 2 pi r into 1 by r gets cancelled. It is 2 pi radians. So the angle made by the circle at the center is 2 pi radians. So today in our small video we understood the relation between degree, radian and grade. So for complete revolution, 2 pi radians, 360 degrees and 400 grades. So in intermediate level, most of the people you will be using this one. If you divide all these with 2, pi radians here small c generally is a habit of writing, is equal to 180 degrees, 200 grades, or pi by 2 radian, 90 degrees, 100 grades. Don't bother about the grades, but you remember this. Sridiketan, is it okay? 2 pi radians, 360 degrees, pi radian, 180 degrees, pi by 2 radian, 90 degrees. So generally, people when they get sin pi by 2 in exam, they get confused what is this sin pi by 2. Pi by 2 is nothing but sin 90 degrees. So in your lower classes you learn pi means 22 by 7. Yes, that is there. That is different. Here it is different. That is the same pi. Here when we use for angle, we will treat it as 90 degrees. So end of the class, keep watching MC Maths class videos for better understanding of mathematics regularly. In my next video, I will introduce to you about trigonometry. Just you watch 10 videos of trigonometry, you will get grip over the trigonometry. It is for those who are not above average level, below those who left ninth class and 10th, they have not attended the classrooms and they are in confusion and recently entered into English medium. So this type of people can watch my videos. Already above average people, all these basics you know, you no need to watch, but you can watch to give me any suggestions, or if you want to ask any doubts, you can ask, you can put these doubts in the form of comments in my YouTube channel or in my Facebook also. Thank you for watching till the end. This is M. Chandrasekhar. Thank you.